Hey girl, so in this video I'm going to show you this beautiful 100% glueless unit that you can literally install in 5 minutes. You're going to see in the video, okay? So if you want to see more details, keep on watching. So the unit that I received today is from RPGSHOW Lifestyle. And if you don't know about RPGSHOW wigs, girl, what is you doing, okay? But they launched a new line called RPGSHOW Lifestyle. And if you purchase a wig from them, you also have the option to buy additional stuff such as edge control brush, lace thin spray. Girl, this really comes in handy if the lace doesn't match your skin tone, okay? There's also a little toolkit that you need. And then there's also a wig knot healer. This is a great alternative for bleaching the knot. And of course, a flyaway tamer. This is something that I use on every wig of mine. Okay, so I have a unit from the Bold collection. It's a beautiful curly ombre lace front bob unit, and the lace is invisible, which is a great thing. And of course the hairline is pre-plucked and the knots are bleached, which makes it like super easy to install. I don't need to do anything. You know how much I love beginner friendly units that I don't need to customize, where I don't need to apply glue and all that kind of stuff, where I don't need to do the bald cap method. Girl, this is one of them. Okay, this is definitely one of them. The only thing that I needed to do was just cut the lace and then, just style the hair a little bit, make the curls pop. And that was it. I didn't even apply glue. I should apply glue if I want to secure down the wig real good. But girl, as you can see, I don't need glue. Like, this hairline is so good. Like, it's just so natural looking, and it fit the wig cap fit my head perfectly. So yeah, it was just like, girl, I don't need to do anything. The combs on this unit and the wig, the band to secure the unit in the back, they just provided me all the security that I needed. So I didn't feel the need to glue down this wig, and that's what I like. That's what I'm looking for in a unit. Like, if I'm gonna spend my coins on a unit, I want this to be that type of unit. See how easy that was? I could go out of the door like this, but I am going to define these curls a little bit, make them pop, because I feel like they could use a little curl cream. So I'm just going to spray some water on the hair, and I'm going to use my Love Your Curls curly styler. This is a very lightweight styler that makes curls super defined. Okay, I always use this on all my curly units. So I just rake that into the hair. Then I go over to detangling the hair a little bit with my tangle teaser to make sure that the curls clump. And that's basically it. It took me like 5 minutes to style this hair. So yeah, super easy, right? So after diffusing the hair for like 10 minutes, the hair dried very fast. This is how it looked. Still 100% glueless, 100% flawless, okay? They really didn't lie when they said, like, we want to provide like ready to wear units that you don't need to customize as much. Great for every occasion. Super high quality hair. By the way, RPGSHOW has amazing quality hair. Okay, this new line that they have, it still has the amazing quality of hair that our RPGSHOW has, and they have been known for years and years and years in this industry for having amazing units. So yeah, definitely click the link in my description box. It will direct you to this unit that I'm wearing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, sis, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.